Okay, so I'm at the row where I'm attaching the second sleeve, and you skip the last 2 stitches, so you're going to have 1 double crochet from the V-stitch, and then you're going to have your single double crochet. So you're actually going to skip those 2, okay? So you are going to actually do your V-stitch right in the first stitch of your foundation row. So you're going to put it right in the first single crochet. Okay, and you're going to connect it with a V-stitch. So this is probably going to be how you guys are looking at it for the right-handers. So as you can see, you don't have an extra row here. It's going with doing your foundation row and then turning it and then doing your V-stitch, because this is your foundation row right here for your sleeve. So you're just adding your V-stitch to it. So you're just going to continue the pattern until you come to the end of your second sleeve here. Okay, sorry I had to make these short. I had to try and get them to where they're coming up in Messenger. But if you have any more questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to go from there. Thank you.